Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact range you will search. This matters because Excel functions behave differently on tables versus loose ranges. Select the columns, then press Ctrl+T or define a name so formulas stay consistent when rows change. Next, list the multiple numbers you need to find on a helper column or sheet. This makes comparison efficient. Once done, decide whether you need exact matches, partial matches, or numeric ranges, because that choice determines which functions you will use next. Now implement the core formulas. For exact membership, check use COUNTIF, range value 0. This returns true if found. If you must return associated data, use index/match or HLOOKUP, value lookup range, return range 0 for exact hits. For checking many target numbers at once, place targets in a column and use SUMPRODUCT, COUNTIF, data range, targets range, to get total hits. Make sure to lock ranges with $ where needed. Otherwise, copying formulas will break references as you fill down or across. Finish by deciding output. Convert formula results to values or create a filtered extract using filter or advanced filters so you have a static or dynamic list. Apply conditional formatting with COUNTIF to visually mark matches. This helps verification. If something goes wrong, check the common culprits. Numbers stored as text, leading/trailing spaces, or inconsistent formats. Fix with value, trim, or text to columns. Finally, make sure absolute references are correct. If not, formulas will reference the wrong ranges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.